So what I'm doing now is I started up my rigs to solo mine Kaspa. All of the GPU rigs are mining Kaspa, which are these three, and also this one over here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna test out solo mining Kaspa. As far as I know, that with these 4 rigs that I have on Kaspa, pool mining, I get about every 2 hours I get about 32 Kaspa coins. Okay, so you figure right now hitting a block gets you roughly around 246.94. let's say 246 coins per block hit. Alright, so if this gets me 32 coins every 2 hours, so you figure it's about 14 hours, around probably maybe 15 hours for me to solo mine and hope to hit a block which will equal to the same amount that I would have done pool mining. You know what I mean? So in other words, if 15 hours pass and I didn't hit a block, then to me it wouldn't be worth it, because I would have gotten 246 Kaspa coins if I would have just, you know, pretty much pool mined. So that's a test that I'm doing right now. I don't know if I'm gonna run them for 14 hours. That's a possibility. You know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna run it for 14 hours to see. So I started about 8 a.m. right now. So it's been about roughly 2 hours already. Have not hit a block yet, and I'm gonna run it for like 14 hours. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna run it for 14 hours to see if I hit a block. 15 hours around it. So if I don't hit a block, then it would have been a waste of electricity and a waste of my time. I could have just gotten 246 Kaspa coins with mining, you know, not solo mining, pool mining. So that's a test that I'm doing, and we'll see. Okay, so I decided to quit solo mining, and I did the solo mining Kaspa for about 7 hours, and I quit. So I was like, I think it's you know, pretty much I'm gonna hit 15 hours and not hit any blocks. So I decided to just switch these back to pool mining, and I did some tweaking around and was able to get a lot of extra mega hashes by, you know, tweaking these more. About, let's say, each GPU pretty much I got like about 30 more mega hashes each or more. So I think I'm about 9 terahash, I think so, in speed in total with all of the GPUs. So I said, you know what, forget about it. I get back to that another time. So I'm just, you know, I decided to just switch them up to that pool mining. I'm better off that way at this point. So that's pretty much it. That's, you know, I give it a shot, and pretty much I said, you know, I'm not going to continue on wasting power and not getting anything out of it. So, you know, I just went ahead and pulled the trigger. So that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.